friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen bacon wrapped scallops in the air fryer. So what we need is a package of frozen bacon wrapped scallops. This is a Trader Joe's brand, but you can use any brands that you have. The instructions are the same. No need to defrost, we are cooking it straight from frozen. So I'm going to open the package. And take the bacon wrapped scallops out of its plastic packaging and put it in the air fryer basket. So put them in a single layer like that and put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 12 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these bacon wrapped scallops. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend using the instant wheat thermometer, just making sure that the scallops are cooked all the way through. So when you stick a thermometer into the scallop, the internal temperature should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's less than 165 degrees, then just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for another minute or two until they're cooked perfectly to your liking. But mine are ready, so the time was perfect. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at these bacon wrapped scallops. It looks like such a nice fancy appetizer for a party. People love them, and it's so effortless with the frozen packaged bacon wrapped scallops cooked in the air fryer. They get so crispy, taste so good. Let's try it. It's so delicious. They taste as good as they look, with a crispy, salty bacon on the outside and a tender, juicy scallop on the inside. This is a perfect combination of flavor. Try it, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!